Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Stanley SXSPBS12E backpack sprayer is an indispensable ally for gardening, sanitization, fertilization, and rinsing activities. The tank, with a capacity of 12 liters, is made of durable polypropylene. The rechargeable lithium battery, with 14.4 volts and 2 amps, offers an autonomy of 2 hours. The working pressure is adjustable from 0.5 to 5 bars, allowing you to adapt the spray force to different operational needs. Additionally, the pump can deliver up to 0.60 liters per minute. One of the distinctive features of this model is the aluminum lance with an adjustable brass nozzle, 70 centimeters long. The pressure control system, based on an electronic board, keeps the pressure constant throughout the entire use. The charge level display via an LED screen allows you to easily monitor the battery's autonomy, while the padded shoulder straps provide high comfort, reducing fatigue during long work sessions. Made in Italy, this Stanley backpack sprayer is ideal for those seeking reliability and high performance. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.